Ever wonder how car engines got a serious boost in power? Let's talk about the supercharger, a game changer in automotive history. It all started in the early 1900s. French engineer Louis Renault patented one of the first superchargers in 1902. The idea was simple: push more air into the engine to create more power. During World War II, superchargers found their way into aircraft engines, helping fighter planes fly higher and faster by boosting engine power even in thin air. By the 1950s, superchargers hit the streets, powering the first muscle cars. Gearheads loved the extra horsepower and speed. Fast forward to today, and superchargers are still used in some of the fastest cars on the planet, from Dodge Hellcats to Jaguar F-Types. From planes to muscle cars and supercars, superchargers have powered up engines for over a century, and they're not slowing down anytime soon. Follow for more fun car facts.